Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn football alone easy guide. Begin with a short warm-up and dynamic stretches to activate muscles and joints. Focus on basic ball control drills like toe taps, inside touches, and dribbling in tight cones for 10 to 15 minutes. Practice at a steady pace, breathing calmly and staying patient while building technique before adding speed or pressure to any routine. Start with simple ball mastery drills that you can repeat daily to build muscle memory. Use cones or markers to weave through slaloms, keeping the ball close and your eyes up occasionally. Add wall passes to practice first touch and control against a rebound. Keep sessions short but focused, and gradually increase repetitions to challenge coordination and footwork without sacrificing accuracy or composure on the ball. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and effortless maintenance that frees up training time. It cleans while you practice drills so your space stays ready for sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoyed that tip, now let's get back to the video. Work on shooting technique by striking the ball with different parts of your foot for power and placement. Set up scenarios where you dribble then shoot to mimic game situations, and vary distance and angle for adaptability. Include interval runs, like short sprints followed by light jogs, to improve endurance and recovery. Finish sessions with controlled cool downs and mobility work to support consistent training and faster recovery between sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.